There'll be enhanced snow in Maine tomorrow morning, 6 to 12 inches in spots. Portland's under a winter storm warning. And then the major flood event that's unfolding over Southern California. See that rare high risk? You've heard about it for days.
Alert, which is the highest, most dangerous. Oh my God, a bunch of rain's gonna fall. Alert, you can get.
On those days, you have the most flood fatalities and damage.
So please take this seriously.
We got some really active and frankly dangerous weather coming into California.
Nobody wants that.
Almost the entire state is under a flood watch right now. So you're talking about 40 million people. All right, that's a lot. That's a lot.
It is 2025. What the fuck year, if there ever was one. So I'd say most of the shit's on the table. Dangerous floods, rock and mudslides, earthquakes, power outages, high winds, flooding, aliens, crazy people, and the chance of people walking in LA. But it's not always wise to be out walking when it's flooding. Definitely try not to ride your unicycle through this shit.
You have been chosen to fight.
Welcome to Asteroid Fight Club. I'm your host, Thor. Today we have...
And Texas and other states, we get a bona fide Christmas Eve heat dome. Shit'll be breaking records. I have way too many people be going, it's hot for December and Christmas. Alert. Yeah, and there's a chance this could overperform. Definitely. For sure. Also, I should mention the possibility or probability of big city tornadoes in Los Angeles or San Francisco. And I guess Sacramento's kind of a big city, huh? You guys have 2 to 4% chance probability. Not high, but that shit ain't zero. All right.
Imagine that, getting a tornado on Christmas Day in California. Yeah, there's a possibility of that, okay?
I'm just not interested.
Oh no, too bad. So far, we've seen all the wrong things.
There is a dangerous, deadly storm a-coming, massive, major, headed your way. Double dragon, atmospheric action. Alert.
Stay cool.
Or else Christmas is doomed.
Active volcanoes.
This is a Thor News presentation. Thor News presents...
Christmas of Doom or Best Christmas Ever? Question mark. Asterisk. "2020's like an advent calendar of doom. I eat doom for breakfast, and then when I poop it out, it says mood. Wait, what?
So for you and me who do consume on the couch, what does this mean for us in terms of a content perspective and how much we'll pay?
This is a Thor News presentation.
Don't give up, Charlie Brown.
Stay cool. Hit the button, baby. And here we go.
Warning.
Here's Christmas Day. Hopefully you'll be where you got to be. This looks like a pretty interesting line of thunderstorms that's coming in. And then we're getting our second, round of just tremendous snow for the Sierra, where our snow levels will already be cold enough for this.
I'm gonna have to science the shit out of this.
Hit the button, baby. I don't know if you know this. Thor News is for winners, and that's why you're here.
Don't you forget it.
Stay cool. This is a Thor News presentation. Thor News presents...
High risk for Southern California, especially in the burn scars. You're talking about anywhere from 5 to maybe even 10 inches of rain here.
Everyone here is the best there is. Who the hell are they going to get to teach us?
So heads up, be prepared, play proper defense, and remember, California has multi-varied terrain in hills and mountains. So a lot of that rain is not only going to cause problems for where it falls, but it's going to roll downhill. Everybody loves water, but too much of a good thing can be bad. That's crazy.
Let's see how it all unfolds tonight. Rain becomes more widespread. The brunt tomorrow morning, about 7 in the morning local time to 3 in the afternoon. Then lighter rains after that, but an inch an hour, mudslides and burn scars. We're very concerned about this flooding. Through tomorrow night, we can see a half foot of rain in the high elevations north of L.A., maybe up to 10 inches of rain, 2 to 6 feet of snow in the Sierra. More rain Thursday and Friday will be lighter. While that's happening, the rest of the country quieter with record warmth.
So just be really careful. Protect yourself. Be grounded. Be smart. Be strategic. Don't put yourself in any stupid situations at stupid times around stupid people.
Near the tide, you see the tide, but you're not trying to get in that tide.
Try not to die. Simple, right?
Let's go! If you need a taxi, we can walk on water, we can dive in. Anything you dream of, we could try. Stars light show our way to go. Now we'll climb the constellations, find a private place where magic flows. Pink rain, champagne stains our clothes, purple trees, flowers start to glow.
Since time began, man has gazed at the stars and he has wondered, am I alone?
Okay, you have some skill.
God, it's brutal out here.
Thor News presents
Party dance time.
Stay cool.